Hi, welcome to Studio Sandbox, a place where we preach, practice and breathe design. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by this huge saffron door which reflects positivity and strength. As you enter the office, you pass through the waiting area. This elevated area sits in front of beautiful patterned full body tiles and is surrounded by greens, breathing freshness into the space. While you wait, your eyes gaze upon this beautiful wall filled with arches and finished in panel. While entering, your eyes are caught upon these beautiful white inlaid birds in this magnificent grey William marble that ultimately lead you to our main cabin. The partition housing the fluted glass door invites you to the main cabin. You see a huge female bird, which is an eagle, pointing towards the space where you have a possibility for endless discussions and ideas. The staff area is a simple and comfortable space, with the arches on walls continuing a cohesive design concept throughout the office. This cozy balcony is a brainstorming area for everyone to spend time by themselves and enjoy a cup of coffee. All in all, Studio Sandbox is a place where you can brew new ideas, have meaningful conversations, and it's a cozy space to work at.